There definitely is a big buzz about boosters, and many of us have questions about exactly how they work. Joining us now with more is Dr. Scott Roberts from Yale New Haven Hospital. Dr. Roberts, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So booster shots, the talk of the town, making headlines each and every day for this past week. Can you explain to us how a booster shot really works?
Yeah, a booster is really an extra dose of vaccine that is given at some point after the initial vaccination. Over time, the memory of the immune system fades, and the purpose of this extra vaccine is really to boost the immune system memory. So in the case of COVID, it is better equipped to recognize the virus quickly and mount a stronger immune response when an exposure does occur. We currently do this for a lot of our vaccines, such as tetanus and hepatitis B.
We're still trying to learn a lot more about how long we have immunity, so to speak, from COVID-19 after being fully vaccinated. Do we know yet how likely it's going to be that we'll have to get vaccinated every single year?
It's likely at some point an updated vaccine will be required to sync up with how the virus is evolving. It's a little too soon to tell whether or not this will be as frequently as every year. Several studies show Pfizer and Moderna vaccines lead to at least 6 months of effective immunity, and it's entirely possible the current vaccines will ultimately lead to much longer lasting immunity. We just don't know quite how long yet, and this is continuously being studied.
This is an interesting thought on a lot of people's minds. You've already gotten a dose from one of the companies, Moderna, Pfizer, potentially J&J. Does that mean you have to get the same booster every single time? So basically, if you've been vaccinated with Moderna for the rest of your life, are you getting Moderna shots?
Yeah, that's a great question. Right now, the CDC recommends receiving the initial 2-dose vaccine series from the same company, specifically the Pfizer and Moderna 2-dose series, until more data is available. We do expect mixing and matching vaccines from different companies will be both safe and effective at boosting immunity. Several clinical trials are underway that will provide the answer for this soon.
All right, much more to come, and we certainly appreciate your expertise. Dr. Scott Roberts from Yale New Haven Hospital, thanks for taking some time out of your busy day to be with us.
Thank you.